So it's the person that seems to be clean in terms of corruption. He's the most corrupt ever this country had. Such kind of leader, a very violent and a corrupt leader. So he brought some we have followed all the rules and regulations in terms of making sure that our event takes place legally. And then when you are looking for a negative, you will look and try to find the pin of the negative in order to serve your purpose. You can't come here with an attitude that we must just cancel everything. And then that is a manipulation of media and the influencers, mind you. Julius Malema got all the money in the world. EFF got all the money in the world. They bought more than 5,000 influencers. Even the prominent people that are busy tweeting about the negativity about this event. This is an official opening of Unyaka uMcimbi. I am not a former radio personnel, by the way. I am the president of the Bengal Nation. So that must stick today. When you address Julius Malema, you must never address him as a commander-in-chief of EFF, but address him as an expelled person of the African National Congress, as a former ANC president. So therefore, as I'm standing here, uthi ntaba zonke enizala akikho nencane inkinga ndibona amaphoyisa amaningi kangaka nje seyishintshiwe imigodoyi le okuyiyona ebizozivimba la sekulethwe amaphoyisa aqonde ngqo manje angafune dlame afuna ukuvikela umphakathi waseNingizimu Afrika. Sivule kahle unyaka wethu njengamabhinqa, sigide sijabule wonke ama-artist aweze kanti nangale kwamakhelwane uMcimbi khona uqhubeke. That is a fair game. So no one must intimidate us, and we can never allow that. I am the president of the Bengal Nation. This event will take place right now, right here. Njengamanje basendleleni bonke abantu kade bekushithela kushamafika manje ngithi mina amangodwa lawa kuma social media wozani bafana bakithi uyanibiza baba wenu yimi umalumekile.